If you want to edit this photo as this, using FaceApp, then this video is for you. Hello friends. Welcome to Something Interesting. First of all, you need to open FaceApp, which is downloaded from Play Store. Select a photo which you want to edit. Here I am taking this demo picture. Don't worry. It will work on any photo. Edit as you need and then save the preview of it. If you don't know to do that, follow my steps. Now open PixArt app. You must use PixArt Mod app for this. Link is in the description. Open the image which was previously saved from FaceApp. Now let's edit this. Go to Tools and then crop the image. Again go to Tools and select Remove icon. Now remove the watermark of the image. Brush over the object or area you want to remove and then save the image to your gallery. Done. The image was finally edited without using premium account of FaceApp. Bye friends.